This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Circle to search so the gesture works system-wide. Go into Settings and enable the feature under Advanced Features, grant screen capture, and mic permissions when prompted. Once done, practice drawing a small circle gesture from any app or the home screen to trigger the tool. You do this because the system needs permissions to capture content and pass it to search. Make sure to allow network access so results populate quickly. This reduces delays when you tap to expand results. You draw a tight circle around the exact text, image, or UI area you want searched. Precision matters because Circle to Search uses that capture to filter results. Once the overlay appears, tap the preview to expand options: web, translate, shopping, or copy. If the capture missed detail, use the crop or highlight tool and pinch to zoom to refine the selection before you confirm. This improves relevance and cuts noise, which is why you refine rather than redraw each time. You finish by interacting with result cards, tap links, use Translate, or follow shopping shortcuts to act on findings immediately. If Circle to Search fails to capture, make sure permissions haven't been revoked. Re-enable screen capture and microphone, then test again. Once done, clear the app cache or restart the S24 Ultra if results are slow. If issues persist, check for a system update because fixes for gesture responsiveness are often delivered in maintenance releases. That usually resolves persistent lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.